Hey, this is Jeremy at Docketwise, and this is a quick overview of the newest features we've brought to Docketwise Smart Forms. These include improved navigation, an invite tab that allows you to monitor the status of your invitations in real time, a packet assembly feature that enables you to include evidentiary documents and other files inside your smart form and to generate a table of contents on the fly, and a new option to share your assembled packet of forms and files entirely or in part with your clients. To begin preparing your smart form, click Create New and then Form. Here you can select a client, a matter, and a preparer. We also have a new feature to include a table of contents. Now I'm going to add some forms, and I'm going to select a DAPCA application, and here are all of the required forms. And I'm going to search for files. I'm going to enter the name of my client and select their birth certificate and a passport. Here are now all of my forms and files. I'm going to assign my client as the beneficiary and apply that change to all forms and save and proceed. Here in the Invite tab, I can see all of the parties in my form, invite them by email, text message, shareable link, client portal. I can customize the message. Hey Jerry, click here when you're ready to send me your information, and invite. Here I can see the date that the invitation was sent, and when Jerry accepts the invitation, I'll be able to see that right there in the Invite tab. Here is the intake. We've redesigned the style to make it look even nicer for your clients, but no changes other than that here. Finally, in the Review tab, I can see my auto-generated table of contents. Now that I'm looking at the table of contents, I've decided I want to just change the titles of the birth certificate and passport files. So I'm going to minimize these, change this to passport. I'll change this to birth certificate. And I'm going to head back. And here is my table of contents, exactly as I want. If I want to make more changes, I can turn off form sync and edit this just like any Word document. Finally, I'm going to share with my client by clicking this More Options icon, Share Documents, select my client, and I'm going to keep this unchecked, Send Editable PDF, because I don't want my client making any changes on the forms. And that's it. My client has received an email with the entire packet of forms and files attached.